Pairing the PowerLift with their Hitch Hauler accessory, you can easily transport the PowerLift on the back of your vehicle. No assembly time is needed. The Hitch Hauler allows you to load or unload your PowerLift in seconds. No ropes, chains, or straps required. This accessory allows any vehicle with a 2-inch hitch receiver to transport the PowerLift. Installing the Hitch Hauler is made simple using the receiver mounting bracket in either the up or down position. To determine the best fit for your vehicle, you will need to measure the distance from the ground to the top of the vehicle's receiver hitch. If your vehicle receiver is between 10 and 15 inches from the ground, you will use the receiver in the up position. Use the down position if your receiver mount is between 16 and 21 inches. Secure the receiver mount bracket with the receiver hitch pin, mounting it as close to the bumper as possible. Next, install the Hitch Hauler's main body. Secure the base frame with the 2 adjustment pins. Main body so that the bottom is approximately 11 inches above the ground. With the Hitch Hauler installed onto your vehicle, you will need to tilt the rocker plate down. To do this, remove the ring snap pin, then retaining pin, and then twist the master pin clockwise to remove it. Now release the rocker plate latch and tilt the rocker plate down. To load the PowerLift onto the Hitch Hauler, tilt the PowerLift back onto the transport tires, guiding the PowerLift between the rocker plate guides. Once the PowerLift is hooked over the rocker plate guides, engage the PowerLift onto the rocker plate. Now push the PowerLift into a horizontal position until the rocker plate latch fully engages. With the PowerLift resting fully on the Hitch Hauler base, insert the master pin through both uprights, twisting counterclockwise. Next, insert the retaining pin through the rocker plate, master pin, and base frame. Secure the retaining pin with either the ring snap pin or padlock. To verify that the pins have been correctly installed, twist the master pin. It should be locked from rotating when the pins are correctly installed. The PowerLift is just one of the innovative products we offer at ReechCraft. Since 1993, we've been creating access solutions to meet the ever-changing needs of the diverse customers we serve. Check us out on our social media or visit our blog to see product updates, customer stories, and safety tips. At ReechCraft, we're always up to something new.